Hey everybody, this is Tyler Hill at MarineMax, Pompano Beach, Florida, your local Boston whaler dealer here. Today we're going to do a quick walk around of this gorgeous little 15 Montauk. Smallest center console that whaler builds, but packed full of options and features. Nice galvanized trailer with swing tongue and spare tire. This one's loaded up too. Gorgeous bimini top, all stainless steel hardware. Beautiful cooler package here and fishing package. Rod holders everywhere. Tackle storage, front to back helm seat. Built-in live well here where that can also double as a cooler. Perfect storage for your 5-gallon buckets. It's got the gorgeous light blue hull with the white Boston Whaler logo. Again, more rod holders. It's got the 60 horsepower Mercury 4-stroke with stainless steel prop. Nice little boarding ladder here with 3 rungs. Good size fuel tank. Even has a nice little Simrad 7-inch GPS on it. Some storage in the console. Awesome little boat, does a little bit of everything. Little fishing, cruising, perfect for the kids. Will fit in most garages. Again, Tyler Hill, MarineMax, Pompano Beach, Florida. This is a 2025 Boston Whaler 15 Montauk. Give us a call today, 954-783-9555. Thanks for watching.